How to set up a route deviation alert on web. Want to get real-time alerts every time your vehicle goes off the planned route? You can do that by setting up a route deviation alert for your vehicle inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up a route deviation alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav fleet and asset management system. Let's log into LocoNav fleet and asset management system and get started. Select the Alerts module from the side navigation menu. A dashboard will appear with all alerts available on the platform. Use the search bar on the top left to search for Route Deviation Alert. Select Route Deviation Alert, and then click View Alert Settings under Route Deviation Alert. Click on Set Alert on the top right. Here, select the planned vehicle route where you want the alert if the route is deviated by the vehicle. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on the web, mobile app, or email. Check the option under the Trips section if you want to receive alerts only when the vehicle is on a trip. Click on Set Alert to save the alert settings. This way you can set up as many route deviation alerts as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, write to us at hi@loconav.com.